Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today Nifty opened at this area. So this was the area, this was the resistance and this was the support area for Nifty. So it was possible that Nifty may be sideways. So you can see here it acted as support. But when Nifty was at this area, at this support area, you can see three candle pattern forming near this area. Doji and then green candle, red candle, doji and then green candle. So I was looking for buying opportunities. So I found Titan. Titan was making this W pattern. When it broke this small trend line, I took a trade. But as you can see, it did not achieve my target. It started going down, so I thought it is a retracement, then again it will go up. So I kept my trailing SL at this area and it was hit here. So my target was missed here. It was missed by 2 points. Then again when Titan retraced, again there was W pattern formed. So when it broke out, I again traded, and you can see here also it was not able to achieve my target. I kept my target at the next high. This was the high point, so it was not achieved. Again I closed my trade at this area because you can see a M pattern forming. So I closed my trade. I kept my trailing SL and closed my trade at this area. Again, I did not trade Titan after that. This was the two trades that was trailing SL. But after that, you can see it gave a good up move. So I took one more trade in Apollo Hospital. So I did in Apollo Hospital. You see there was a resistance at this area. This is 5-minute chart. This was the resistance. We can draw a area because the candles have crossed the trend line, so we can put a area here. So here that was support and it can act as a, it acted as a resistance. Here you can see a big wick here. Again today it did not it opened below that, and you can see how Apollo Hospital has acted near that area. So it made a higher high, but but the higher highs are not strong, because you see that this was a previous high, then this was next high. It is not a Apollo Hospital is not making a good highs, like this was a previous high, then it was a good next high, but here it was hovering in this area, so it was possible that it will fall. So also the 200 MA was there, so it was kind of retracement for this big downtrend. So I was waiting for this low to be crossed, this low to be crossed. This candle crossed this low, but we cannot consider this as a breakout because it hardly has closed below this low. So I was expecting a good candle to cross this low. So again it went up. I was not looking for buying opportunities at this area, so I was waiting for this low to be crossed. So here you can see this candle has closed below that area clearly. Also this blue one is 200 MA, so it crossed this area. When it crossed, I quickly put my limit order below this area because I wanted the stock to cross this candle. So I kept a limit order here and my target here, sorry, stop loss here. And I kept a small 1:6, 1:1.6 RR ratio. But here also you can see it was missed by some points. This big red candle was formed. Then again it made a W pattern and it went up. So it was missed by some points here. So I kept my trailing SL at this area, because if it does not make a W pattern, it will make a M pattern, then it will go down. So I wanted it to cross W pattern or make a M pattern then cross. So I cannot keep my trailing SL at this area, that will suffocate my trade. So I kept my trailing SL at this area, but unfortunately it was not hit here. So stock started making this big candles. On 1 minute it was making a good big candles, you can see. So I closed my trade around here. So it was a loss for me. So these were my three trades for today. Thank you for watching my video.